You wake up one morning and the Earth has completely stopped spinning. No warning, no transition, just silence right before the entire planet changes forever. So, what would actually happen? Let's break it down using real physics. Right now, Earth spins at about 1,670 kilometers per hour or 1,040 miles per hour at the equator. Everything on the surface, the air, the oceans, and you is moving at that speed without us noticing. If Earth suddenly stopped, the rotation would halt. But everything not attached to bedrock would keep moving at that same speed due to inertia. This is basic Newtonian mechanics. The atmosphere wouldn't stop with the ground. It would continue moving at over 1,000 miles per hour relative to the surface. This would create extreme winds, far stronger than any hurricane recorded. Massive destruction across buildings, forests, and oceans. Huge ocean displacement, sending walls of water inland. These effects aren't exaggerations, they're direct consequences of sudden deceleration. Today, Earth's rotation creates a slight bulge at the equator. If the rotation stops, that bulge disappears. Over time, not instantly, but gradually, gravity would pull ocean water toward the poles. This would cause water levels to rise drastically in the Arctic and Antarctic regions. The equatorial region to lose large amounts of water, exposing land. This is a well-modeled result based on geophysics. Earth's rotation creates the 24-hour cycle. If it stops, one side faces the sun continuously, the other side stays in darkness. This means the day side would heat up significantly. The night side would cool dramatically. Temperature differences would reshape climate and wind patterns. This scenario is not instant destruction, but long-term environmental change driven by solar heating. Earth's magnetic field is generated mainly by the motion of molten iron in the outer core. Rotation contributes to this motion. Stopping Earth's spin wouldn't immediately remove the magnetic field, but it would weaken over time, reducing protection against solar radiation. This effect is supported by geodynamo models. Survival would depend on the region. Areas along the twilight zone, the boundary between day and night, would have the most stable temperatures. Humans could survive with infrastructure and technology. Agriculture, climate systems, and ecosystems would change dramatically. This is not the end of the planet, but it would be a fundamentally different world. So, if Earth stopped spinning, the laws of physics tell us exactly what would follow. Violent winds, ocean shifts, extreme temperatures, and long-term changes to the magnetic field and climate. It's a frightening scenario, but a scientifically fascinating one. If you enjoy clear, no-hype explanations of how the universe works, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out tomorrow's video.